is it? This jacket here, this shirt, what color is it on the inside? Right, like this one, right? Right. The part that we can't see is probably the same as the part we can see. 看不到的地方，比较大的可能是跟看得到的地方一样，一定是一样的吗？不一定，我们不知道。Right? We don't know for sure, but we can guess. We see this part here, we can guess, oh, probably her whole shirt is like that, right? All right, thank you. That's how patterns work. Yours would also work, but it's harder to talk about those little patterns there, right? Yeah, so, and then we can check and find out, right? When we make a guess, the important thing about words and sounds and grammar, you have to guess. But you can't close your eyes and read, just guess like that, right? You have to look at what you can see and then make a smart guess. So, whenever we talk about spelling or sounds, we need patterns to help us to learn them. What about other problems with our words? 我们的字还有什么问题？跟名词一样，课文。中文跟英文都有名词，中文跟英文都有可数跟不可数的名词。All right, but it's not quite the same. 中文可以说有数，英文呢？ There is book. 可以吗？有数。英文呢？ How do you say that in English? There are books, right? 为什么需要加 s? 因为是可数的 right? What happens if we don't follow that pattern? If we change it? 中文的没关系，有数，有一些分数 right? 数是可数的，我们都了解。可是不可数用的没关系 right? 可是英文呢 Well, you guys, can you tell me the difference between these words, or these sentences? I like chicken. I like chicken. I like chickens. How are they different? This is important because in Taiwan, you can get little stickers, you can get little things that say, you know, I love Taiwan dog, right? But the problem is, what does that mean? Right? You see these little things, you can buy them in a store, you can put something on your cell phone. What does this really mean? 中文是什么意思？ What does this one mean? A little bit late. Come in. Right? Is it? What does this one mean with an S? I like chickens. That's amazing. I like chickens. Do you usually eat chickens? I'm really hungry today, I'll have 3. Do you eat chickens? No. Chickens, 可数的是动物, right? I like chickens. They're nice animals. They're kind of stupid, but you know, it's like when I teach at the elementary school. You know, 一年级的学生, they all run around in circles, and it's kind of like chickens. You know, they just run around and they're kind of fun, but you know, they're cute, right? I like a chicken. 什么意思? There's a chicken, his name is Bob. He's my best friend. I tell him everything. Right? A chicken, one chicken. 也是一个动物. Right? I like chicken. Now, 是鸡肉. 不可数的动物是什么意思? 是肉. Right? That's what it means. I like chicken. 好吃. But this is what you see whenever you go to a store and they have these little stickers. You can put them on your bag or on your phone. You can buy water bottles and it says, I love Taiwan dog. That's what it says. Because people in Taiwan, sorry, you're not very careful about that. 因为中文没关系，可是英文真的很重要的问题, right? So, there is book. 是好吃的问题吗? 不可数的数是什么意思? What could it mean? 有可能是不一样的意思，有可能是没有意思, right? 可是中文没关系. Okay, how about this? A water, 可以. A book, 中文的医学、艺术、一笔、一人，可以，对不对？可以吗? Can you do that in Chinese? No. 一支笔、一为人、一瓶水、一本书，真的很重要的, right? If you don't use them, then it's wrong, people don't understand, right? That problem in Chinese, we have it in English, a bottle of water. 我们有一样的问题，可是我们的可数不可数的问题真的很重要的。你们的知本人为是最重要的, right? So we have the same problems, but we just need to understand how they work. We have the same questions, but sometimes we have different answers. 跟动词一样，如果是字的问题, if we're talking about vocabulary, 一个最重要的是动词。名词最重要的是可数跟不可数，真的很重要, right? So when you're learning a new word, pay attention to this. 动词是这个问题，有没有手词？它需要手词，它呢？不可以。And this makes a big difference for how you use your words in English. It's one of the big reasons why we don't understand. Because when you say, for example, I drop, 是什么意思? I drop, 是这样子吗? 如果没有手词, I drop 是不一样的意思。没有手词的 drop, I drop 是 I drop. I go to the floor. 有手词 I drop something, I drop the pen. 意思很不一样。